What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna recreate Haitian griot, which is also called fried pork. This dish is a Haitian dish. Sac passe to all my Haitians out there. Alright, family, in today's video we're gonna create a Haitian traditional dish. This dish was created in almost every single Haitian's house. Don't forget, hit that like button, guys. Smash on that subscribe button. Swing on that bell. Come on, let's go. Alright, guys, so we're gonna want to start with the beans and the rice first, guys. I already pre-boiled it for you guys, so it could just be a little bit faster. Alright, so what we're gonna do is first off start by pouring in some oil into our pot, guys. Now you want to get your epis. That's a Haitian traditional seasoning that we use to season most of our rice and our meat, guys. So I have some already frozen that was put away, freshly made. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons. It's the flavor that it needs, guys. Let's put in 3. Hit the like button and subscribe, guys, and check below in the description area where you'll find the recipe, or you could go on vegankingsworld.com, guys. All right, so we're gonna just add the beans to the pot, guys. Don't throw away the water that you used to boil the beans, guys. This water is gonna be added to the pot to cook down the rice, all right, guys, for that flavor, to give it a kick. All right, guys, so now this is the time. Normally for this traditional dish we would add some Maggi, but because I'm vegan, I'm using not chicken bouillon. So what you got to do is just open this up, guys, and you just want to break it apart and just spread it everywhere, guys. The smell is amazing in here, guys. Don't forget, hit that like button, guys, and subscribe. Let's go. Little salt, guys. Let's just let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember that water that we used to boil the beans? You just want to add this to the rice. Perfect. Now what you got to do, guys, is grab your pepper. In Creole, we say pima. Grab your pima or your pepper and you just put it in, guys. Be very careful not to stir because you don't want that bad boy to pop, guys. Just cover it up and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. And for today, we are using soy chunks for our mock meat, guys. This was already prepared. Boil some water, add some salt, and that's it, guys. If you guys want to know what they look like, this can be found in every single supermarket, guys. They're soy chunks, guys. The other substitute for this recipe, you could also use jackfruit, guys. This will be great. So this can be both soy-free and gluten-free, guys. Alright, guys, so now we're gonna season our beautiful fried pork, guys. I have all the seasonings in the description below, guys, or you could go to vegankingsworld.com and get the full recipe. Alright, so first, what we gotta do is just grab our seasoning. Just pour that in, guys. It's some fresh squeeze orange juice, and you just want to squeeze that in there, guys. This is gonna be packed with flavor, guys. So I'm gonna add some limes and some lemon. All right, guys, so add your epis, your garlic, guys. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna add just 2 tablespoons. This recipe can be found on vegankingsworld.com. Alright, family, so after we have left our pork marinade, guys, now this is what it looks like. Some oil. Guys, so now we're gonna fry this for about 15 to 20 minutes until it gets dark. You can't go wrong with a coleslaw, guys, because pickles is too spicy for me. Now, let's do this beautiful salad, guys. Get your stuff ready. Here we go. Alright guys, so I'm going to create a little sauce so that we can have with this beautiful griot or fried pork, guys. Alright, so first I'm going to add some olive oil to the pan. Add in some tomato paste. Alright guys, so now we want to just add in our pork. Spices. Add in your onions, guys. Add in your peppers. Alright guys, so now it's finally ready. To set it off and make it taste even better, guys, I'm going to grab 2 peppers and I'm going to place them in the pot and I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for just 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, look at that. Look how amazing that look, guys. Now, let's play. Alright guys, it's finally ready. I made Haitian griot with Diri, plantains, and salad, and I threw in some coleslaw for a bonus, guys. Take a look. I can't wait to try this, guys. Alright guys, so look at the coleslaw, guys. Look at that. Let's try that. If you like what you see, guys, don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe and smash on that bell. This recipe can be found on cooking&Games.com. It's going for this rice. Wow. Now, let's go for this pork, guys. Try this plantain. Guys, don't forget, hit that like button, smash on that bell, subscribe. Peace.